Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, this is the second part of our how to earn our series how to earn money from video editing. And in today's video I will teach you how you can earn through like travel video editing. Travel video editing is also trending nowadays and people are earning good amount of money by providing this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So we will go to Fiverr to check that there is a demand of this skill or not. And if you don't know about Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com is one of the best graphic design, one of the best freelance marketplaces where you can sell your service and people can buy it. And in this way you can earn money. So here I choose for travel video editing. Let's see how many people provide this service. 9,700 plus result shows means there are people almost 10,000 people providing this service. I will edit your travel and vacational blog for promote drone videos. Great. I will edit your vacation or travel footages. Great. Now let's analyze these gigs and let's see is there is a potential of this skill or not. He is Fiverr choice and he got 4.923 reviews and one order in queue, and he I think almost completed 100 orders, and his basic package is of $45 and in which he provide experience grade video editing, each video color graded separately, exclusive transitions. Okay, in standard he charged silver package, he charged $100, premium color grading plus premium transition with sound effects plus motion graphics. Great. In premium he charged $150 and professional video editing, each video color graded individually, exclusive transitions. Great. And let's check out his this is his like portfolio. You can check out his portfolio, and in this you can also check out his reviews, and people give him 5 stars. And after that you can also get an idea from his gig, but do not copy his gig, make your own gig. And that's it. He is from Pakistan and etc. So after that let's analyze second gig, and this got the same small project, 1 to 3 minute optional, $65. In standard he charged $115, and medium project 3 to 5 minutes optional, and in premium he charged $190, and large project 5 to 10 minutes. So in this way you can analyze their gigs and make your own gigs and provide services. And as you know, video content has a great demand, so people require video editors, good video editors. So practice on CapCut and make a gig on Fiverr and start selling your service. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also earn and learn through it. And in next video I will share another skill of video editing, and till then keep learning. Goodbye.